Joe. Today I'm going to have a brief introduction about the shakoo kayaking dry suit type KT. So this is the KT dry suit, and basically it's made of the material named Dentix, and it's pretty much the similar material, have similar functionality as SKAW, which is windproof, waterproof, and breathable. So it also has the PTFE layer inside the material to achieve those characters. Okay, so you'll see quite differently compared with major series of dry suit in the market. It has an extra hat. So the hat, inside the hat, there's latex material made to make sure, to keep the water outside of your body. This is latex material, neck seal, and also there's wrist seal inside here. Okay, it's all made of latex material. This material is imported from United Kingdom, and outside of the latex material to lock the water outside the body, there's some neoprene adjustable material to make it comfortable, and also the neck part. And this part of the hat have some material inside to make sure it have certain support when you're wearing it. It can keep the rain outside of your head instead of tucking on top of your body. So the major zipper is here. Okay, so you realize that the zipper is in front of the body. So with this, and even you go out with your own, you can easily wear this dry suit on and take it off. Okay. Some baby pocket inside to put in your small stuff, and the tunnel sandwich here to make sure when you're wearing spray skirt. Spray skirt is inside here, and this is to lock your spray skirt. Okay. So there's extra zip here to make sure when you are going to a long trip or multi-day expedition, you have this feature to